Infrastructure is the big topic on Capitol Hill this week. That included a hearing on Puerto Rico's electrical grid. Our Washington correspondent Matt Knadler has the story.
Well, a hearing this week in the House Natural Resources Committee highlighted both the struggles and the future goals of electricity generation and transmission across Puerto Rico. The hearing focused on the transition from the Puerto Rico Electric Power Authority, or PREPA, to Luma Energy, a private company. Now, Puerto Rico Congresswoman Jennifer Gonzalez-Colon noted several extended outages this summer across Puerto Rico. She says the grid is 1,000 megawatts short of the estimated daily load, even with backup generators running. Now, she's calling on Luma and PREPA to offer specifics on how to improve the system as the U.S. territory works to include more renewable energy into its electricity generation.
If we see that the whole system will barely meet demand and any spike could bring it down.
We're making changes intended to improve our performance, and among these are senior level management change, power plants needs assessment, and asset management strategies, among others.
The hearing also addressed the nearly $10 billion from FEMA to the Puerto Rican government to aid in that clean energy transition. Some studies show that money could cover costs for a new solar energy grid. Officials urged the committee to investigate Luma, as the company could ultimately control those federal funds. Luma officials say the COVID pandemic and rebuilding from Hurricanes Maria and Irma have delayed several key repairs.
In order to move forward, we are focusing on creating change of the physical infrastructure, but also of business processes and the creation of our very own company culture.
Puerto Rico has a goal of 50% renewable electric energy by 2030, 100% by 2050, and Congresswoman Gonzalez-Colon says that right now that is just 2%. In Washington, Matt Knadler, One Caribbean News.